Are you looking for the best electric air duster for PC to keep your hardware clean and running smoothly? I evaluated 5 outstanding cordless blowers engineered to blast away stubborn dust particles easily. Product number 1. WOLFBOX MegaFlow 50 Air Duster. This compact handheld turbo blower generates incredible static pressure to sweep away embedded debris from fragile electronic boards quickly. The advanced internal design pushes rotational speeds up to 110,000 revolutions per minute without experiencing any stuttering. 3 distinct velocity selections allow you to modify the output current precisely based on your immediate electronics cleaning tasks at home. A robust lithium power cell recharges rapidly, with a standard-style adapter cable to sustain your routine technical maintenance workflows effortlessly. I appreciate how the feather-light chassis architecture minimizes total physical wrist fatigue during intensive deep desktop cleaning sessions in the studio. The included premium nozzle pieces focus air pathways cleanly to reach dark crevices underneath your main computational processors securely and safely. It provides a highly sustainable alternative to traditional disposable options that freeze up and leave unwanted fluid residues behind after use. This engineering marvel serves as a premier asset for tech enthusiasts seeking consistent and completely dry debris elimination on a daily basis. Product number 2. FRESMOL Cordless Air Blower. This versatile cordless tool combines high-velocity performance with an intuitive digital dashboard interface for straightforward everyday technical maintenance tasks around the office. A clear visual indicator panel monitors your active velocity mode and current battery capacities perfectly to prevent sudden shutdowns during critical cleaning operations. The package incorporates several customized cleaning attachments and microfiber brushes to scrub localized corner grids on mechanical keyboards with complete accuracy. Its high-capacity rechargeable setup delivers steady power lines without the typical voltage drops common in entry-level consumer equipment on the market today. I select this configuration because it sustains smooth operations when processing intricate hardware components that collect dust inside tight casing sets routinely. An extended runtime window guarantees hours of uninterrupted dusting productivity when moving outside your regular desktop workspace station for field assignments. The smooth handle contour feels natural and secure, ensuring a steady grip when detailing complex cooling structures or delicate circuitry panels carefully. This robust unit helps independent hardware technicians maintain pristine equipment conditions without complicating the regular digital workflow. Product number 3. WOLFBOX MegaFlow 60 Air Duster. This upgraded mechanical blower leverages a high-efficiency brushless motor array to optimize deep extraction procedures across demanding technical gear systems smoothly. The first velocity mode manages delicate circuit boards safely, while the maximum setting blasts heavy crust from cooling fans and radiators instantly. Its balanced layout accommodates mobility beautifully, sliding into modern photography backpacks or vehicle storage drawers effortlessly for outdoor assignments and remote shoots. The rechargeable cell architecture supports extended execution times to handle massive arrays of workstation towers during deep maintenance days with absolute consistency. I observed that the flat attachment piece directs high-speed streams beautifully across crowded component rows to sweep out fine soot trails completely. The reusable design path prevents typical chemical environmental impact concerns, while offering significant long-term economic advantages to small independent studio businesses. It maintains consistent tracking speeds through rapid activation cycles to guarantee uniform debris clearing along your technical radiator assemblies every single run. This versatile hardware system allows serious computer builders to maintain pristine air pathways through complicated internal case spaces with complete confidence. Product number 4. CAGIWIRU Electric Air Duster. This high-powered turbo blower delivers absolute cleaning dominance by executing extreme blast velocities to clear dense particle fields immediately from your hardware. The robust internal motor spins rapidly to clear complex video game assemblies and standard office keyboards with equal precision and total balancing control. A swift Type-C quick charging process fuels the internal energy blocks fast to minimize frustrating downtime intervals between your technical restoration jobs. The lightweight structural form factor fits comfortably in your grip, while saving premium space on busy workshop staging tables during active teardowns. I find that the custom 5-nozzle accessory kit adapts the blowing stream perfectly for animal grooming or inflating outdoor mattress beds at camp. A smart temperature protective cycle prevents operation if the machine is too warm, ensuring long-term battery health metrics through years of work. The clear button configuration enables seamless transitions through the speed levels without requiring confusing multi-menu navigation sequences on the display screen. This comprehensive package guarantees premium industrial-grade debris removal performance to meet the specialized needs of modern editing studios across the country. Product number 5. WOLFBOX MegaFlow 100 Air Duster. This elite high-velocity workstation blower achieves maximum processing power to deliver the ultimate dry cleaning experience for enthusiast hardware components layout. The industrial-grade architecture pushes maximum wind speeds smoothly to clear out heavily clogged commercial server banks and industrial machines with absolute ease. A rapid charging setup brings the internal system back to full capacity quickly to support continuous operations across extensive business network facilities. The premium material shell resists structural deformation and scratches easily to maintain its clean aesthetic through rugged field usage over many months. I love the extreme durability profile that handles hundreds of active cleaning assignments over several years with total consistency and stable metrics. An included carrying cord secures the device to your hand during awkward elevated tracking tasks inside ceiling ventilation boxes or high shelves. The package provides specialized fine brushes that loosen static dust layer formations before the main turbo fan extracts them away completely and cleanly. This premium configuration stands out as a magnificent solution for independent data center administrators demanding flawless air movement and structural purity. I recommend choosing the extreme velocity motors for industrial server environments or the smart screen blowers for standard desktop setups. All 5 options display exceptional price compatibility for your computational maintenance needs.